I'm selling euro yen, but I'm a bit short on the entries. I'm a bit late on the entries, so that didn't work out so well. Let's see how that goes. Just connect the audio clients real quick. Oops, sorry, wrong screen. I'll just prepare stuff real quick. Okay, what are the events of today? RBA rate statement. Should have shorted Aussie yen, huh? Okay, divergence. Canadian dollar very high up, and the Aussie dollar is up. Japanese yen as well, and the euro. Okay, euro yen was a bad idea. This is likely not gonna move that much. But I guess pound CAD looks interesting. Very large. Anyway. CAD, USD, AUD. And on the negative side we have that's Swiss franc, not pound. Not the pound, sorry. Pound and Kiwi makes Aussie Kiwi also a good thing to do, especially with the interest rates coming up. Okay, Kiwis a little bit, and the pound is very large. Pound Aussie is probably a good one too. Let's have a quick look at pound Aussie. Oh, nice. Lower and a high on the larger time frame, so this can go anywhere.
Morning, Murray.
Morning.
Morning.
Hey, bit bongs.
How we doing?
I haven't been to sleep yet, so a bit late for me.
Oh, neither have I.
Wow, pound Aussie is expensive.
Spread a bit too much for you.
Oh, no, it's not about that. It's about that it moves very large. I mean, the ATR is very high, so the stop has to be very far, and then so it's expensive because you cannot really hit it hard.
No 2 pip stop loss over VWAP then.
I didn't count the pips, let's just check. 40 fucking 2. Oh my god. I should not have counted that. No, I'm just feeling like grandpa.
I hold you tightly, never let you go or let you down. There's nothing but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah, don't tell me I don't stand a chance, 'cause ooh, yeah, for you I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah, this is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah. 'Cause I wanna start a revolution with you. Yeah, I'm gonna start a revolution with you. 'Cause this is where I'm meant to be.
Oh, I haven't found a target.
There's further comments here from the Chinese bank regulator that China will be reducing the level of leverage.
Oh, that could be that the
Just,
previous
repeat
move down was a
since
fake and
here
it's going
earlier.
up from here.
Again, making progress and cutting their leveraging.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Morning.
Morning,
Up,
Alex.
Alex.
Doing good, doing good.
It's an hour to the interest rate decision, right? gonna be stopped out by then.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like this is not gonna work. And my cat wants love. Poor animal. Oh.
No time for pussy. It's trading.
Yeah. Okay, enough. I need to get me another coffee. Yeah, this pound OC is not gonna work.
Again, just looking to Australia as S&P note the APAC government borrowings to remain high this year.
Well, that looks like a quick death. Okay, one more time, just for the fun of it.
Morning.
Yeah, that's toast. I'm just gonna exit that one.
High swing. USD moving up right now.
Does it, huh? looks like it.
Where is weekly VWAP on Aussie? It might be the play given the higher time. News aside.
I scaled into silver again. Probably a bad idea.
Comments coming through from Hong Kong's financial secretary saying that there are no plans to impose a sales tax at this stage.
Swing, why don't you play video games to pass the time?
What time?
You've been trying so hard, giving all that you got, holding on hard to the past.
I'm managing the trade.
Get who you are,
I haven't even got the time to go downstairs and give me a coffee. What's your problem?
everlast. Oh,
Yes, Swing, you should become a video game streamer.
Yeah, right.
yours is what I'm saying.
Yeah, this trading stuff, nah. Start
Not for
streaming.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this becomes really boring. We just go kill ourselves.
They haven't seen you flying the drones, that's why.
Yeah, that was the idea. I put a pound Aussie trade on and then I'm go fly. But this is gonna take an hour to play out. No, the US dollar must fuck it up.
US dollar.
You should stream the drone flying. Grow the channel.
Yeah, but you need 4,000 watch hours in order to do live streaming. Oh no, 1,000? I'm not sure. I forgot already. So you have to create meaningful content first.
Yeah.
Plus, I cannot really do that because the goggles I use, they don't have HDMI output. Well, there is a way to do it, which is a DJI Smart Controller, but this is gonna cost me $600. And you guys on YouTube are not worth it. I really want to have that controller because I can fly my other drone with it too. But that's just an excuse for me. Okay, there's the target. What the fuck? Fucking screen share. First target, I should take the money here. Never mind. I'm gonna watch it flirt with me doing just the tip and then make me a loss. Story of my life. Yeah, that one looks like a good one. Let's make that white here. Very quick. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. That one. No, that is not significant.
Holy cow, Swing.
What? I'm confused.
Trade. There's one juicy trade.
Yeah, but I cannot find a fucking exit. What's that?
DXY just.
That's garbage. This one it is, I guess. Or now. Wow, that's 30 pips. What is Pound Aussie doing? Oh fuck, it didn't go anywhere. I just closed it because I chickened out.
Yeah, DXY's just shot up.
Yeah.
I wanted to sell the DAX so bad, but the spread is just terrible at this time of day.
Cable's fucking tanking.
Yeah. Look at Pound Yen.
But they're pressing in the RBA, sure. That's why I wanted to short Pound Aussie. Oh, look at that. Fuck you.
Silver's about to fucking drop a loader. I can't afford this.
T3 T1 T1.5
Ah, fuck it. I'm out.
Close all.
It's probably gonna keep dropping, but whatever. Ah, the drop is too big for my screen. I need a bigger screen. Oh, fuck you, share mouse! I have C-Trader running 4 times.
Nice start to the day, Swing. Could be a big day, hey.
Looks more like to me the party is over. But yeah, the target was actually a little bit lower here, a few pips below S1. It's probably gonna go there, but who cares? 0.5% profit in 25 minutes, and 14 of them I talked crap on the Discord. So that's pretty good, I guess.
That's a good start.
It's like God mode.
I cannot move the mouse into the trading screen. What the fuck? What the crap is that? I can move it into the... No, I can take the mouse from my trading computer, move it around, and I move it to the right into my Mac. The mouse moves in my Mac, but I cannot move back. It's like a one-way road or whatever. Just restart the service.
The DAX doesn't like that one 4K level, it's like salt to it.
The pivot probably.
Holy cow, Zana, are you okay?
Maybe there's something different when I'm more adjusted on this screen.
Did you close your Euro Yen shorts?
Oof, that fucking hurt.
Jesus,
What happened there?
it's nasty. I can't tell what pair that is.
Okay, now I can move in the monitor, in the Mac, but I cannot move fucking back. What the fuck? What are my cats doing?
Fucking Alex.
I mean, somebody's gotta say it.
State the obvious. I think he knows, to be honest.
Yeah, but... it's like
Wow,
big
the
time.
risk monitor just filling up. When I sat down, there were two traders, and both of them actually had a technical problem. And that means my servers are not working properly. Now the screen is full with people. 2.5%, 2.5%, 2.9%, 3.8%. What the fuck? Don't people use stop losses? What the fuck is going on?
Fuck is it stop loss?
Yeah, what is a stop loss? Witchcraft!
We don't do that here.
Yeah, Jesus didn't use a stop loss.
Why should I?
I felt your heavy breath through darkness. The smoke is getting close to my bed.
Yeah, I'm an asshole. Look at Ado.
Empty lungs, sleeping but awake, paralyzed. Don't come.
Told him to swap his colors.
God damn it.
least I'm being constructive.
Oh, I just know silver's gonna drop again. And I'm gonna get stopped out again.
Oh, look at pound hours here. Went straight back down as expected.
So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You,
What the fuck is Sanade doing? He's on the wrist monitor too, by the way.
if you would let me.
She says he's gonna hit it hard in the next few days.
I have no comment for that statement.
What statement?
Trading room.
Just read. And then take a look in Suicide Booth and not talk about it.
Oh man, oh man, oh man.
See it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Just ask for context for what's going on right now in the trading room. So the words and the numbers don't really align.
Yeah, they kind of don't.
Further comments from the China banking regulator that China is willing to cooperate with US companies in finance.
Low, high, up, tight, now let's take a ride. Flashing a smile, cover it up, but there's no surprise. As long as my heart goes, I got the beat, I got the beat, I got the beat, I got the beat of the night.
I'm doing something wrong here. Or is it just me?
Up, down, left, right, I stand by your side. Low, high, up, tight, now let's take a ride. Flashing a smile.
China will be keeping lowering the threshold for overseas companies in finance.
But there's no surprise. As long as my heart goes, I got the beat, I got the beat, I got the beat, I got the beat of the night.
But he hasn't broken any rules, has he? So his account's not in a loss.
Yes, it is. Half a 9.9.
Oh, I
He's
mean,
in-
it's not like over the
Invalidated.
limit loss.
Yeah, he hasn't lost it. Yeah. Yeah, like Swing said, he should just recover it in profit and then get the restart.
No, he was in profit 15 minutes ago.
Oh,
He just lost 3.7%, and now he's talking like he doesn't give a shit. And 5 minutes later, he says he cannot afford another account. Why do we blow it? Just let it go, wait for the restart, and if you have no time to trade, then just let it dormant for a year. Nobody gives a shit. What is 1 point minus 1.9? Here, mega close. Oh shit. Wow, he is fast. Yeah, he's just forcing it. He's gonna get disqualified in a minute or two. I cannot see if he has positions open.
Sounds like people on the inside need to man up and take ownership of their trading mistakes.
No, this is a special case because there was actually no trading mistake until 30 minutes ago. But I not really want to talk about it on YouTube if he's not in the voice chat. Fuck, $30,000 withdrawal.
Alright then.
I'm completely clueless now with the argumentation.
Anyone up for a revenge trade?
I just did one.
Go on, have a look at the pound Aussie again. Oh, there it is, down the bottom.
Rub it in.
There's no lines on the chart, so it wasn't that one.
Some of the stock indices are contracting tighter into their rising wedges with a swing to go. Wonder if we will see a catalyst materialize soon.
Yeah, the catalyst is called Biden. Printing more money than ever before, anyone ever before. And everybody's horny about it.
The central banks have the power to print and create digital money.
Oh, my pound yen short almost hit the target. Maybe I just take profit here. I need to quickly log on to another account.
Oh, nice move on Aussie yen.
Just over 10 minutes time now to the bottom of the hour, and as we do see the Japanese markets returning to trade, additionally we do have the Reserve Central Bank of Australia set to be releasing its latest monetary policy report. So the cash rate target is widely expected to remain unchanged at 0.1%. Additionally, its 3-year yield target left unchanged as well at 0.1%. So the wide range of analyst views is that unchanged policy across from the RBA, but we're looking at some previews here, starting with a BNZ preview, noting that RBA's monetary policy update comes this afternoon, and yesterday's QE operation leaves no doubt about its prevailing view that the rates market has been dysfunctional at times, with market testing the bank's commitment to keeping the 3-year yields at 0.1%. So expect another dovish missive by the RBA. They say keen on keeping rates suppressed for now, keeping the Australian dollar in check, saying that there will be some interest in whether the RBA extends yield curve control through to November 2024 bond. That would solidify the bank's commitment to keep the cash rate unchanged for at least 3 years, saying that over $1 billion of yesterday's buying was for this bond anyway, and given that the yield trades well above the adjacent April 2024 bond.
Right, I'm going to get some sleep. You guys have a good day.
Wait, what?
We don't sleep around here, Octo.
Sleep.
I need my beauty sleep. And a lot of it.
Alright, take it easy, man.
Bye-bye.
Alright, have a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna chicken out on the pound yen short. I don't know why it stopped moving. Let me just make myself busy with something else.
So it's 3 minutes now until the bottom of the hour as we wait to hear from the Reserve Bank of Australia. It's again, large expectations for the RBA to leave monetary policy settings where they were at the March meeting. They have previously said it is clear that the cash rate will stay where it is until inflation is sustainably within the 2 to 3% range. So it's expected to keep its cash rate target unchanged at 0.1% and the 3-year yield target at 0.1% as well. A final note here from IHS Markit. They're saying markets will be looking for any signs that the central bank could be wavering from its commitment to keep the policy rate low for several years, despite recent signs of sharply rising price pressures and solid economic growth.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take the profit here. That doesn't feel so healthy.
Well, silver touched $26. Let's see where we go from here.
One minute to go now. 1 minute. 10 seconds. Unchanged as expected from the RBA, keeping its cash rate unchanged at 0.1% and the 3-year yield target at 0.1% as well. Comments coming through here as the target yield and holding its key rate unchanged. Wage and price pressures expected to remain subdued. Does not expect conditions met to raise rates until 2024. Recovery was well underway, stronger than it was early expected. Significant gains.
Look at Pound Aussie, that works out so nicely.
Wages growth will have to be materially higher than is currently, the RBA adds. Remains committed to
What's the
maintaining
platform
highly
you are
supportive
using
market
for your
conditions
pound yen
until its
trade?
goals are reached, while the economy is still operating within a considerably spare
That's
capacity.
MetaTrader 4.
The board will not increase the cash rate until actual inflation is again stability within the 2 to 3% target range. The Australian dollar remains in the upper end of range of recent years. Committed to the 3-year yield target and recently purchased bonds to support the target and will continue to do so as necessary.
I usually not do MetaTrader
I didn't recognize it.
because it's a piece of shit.
The bank is prepared to make further adjustments to its purchases in response to market conditions. Again, to repeat that comment from the RBA, the bank is prepared to make further adjustments to keep its purchases in response to market conditions.
Oh, this conversation is still going on, huh?
Yeah.
Already passed, moved on.
to the reactionary moves there following the RBI keeping its rate unchanged. The Aussie curve bears steepening as 10-year yields up 6 basis points on the day.
Oh, look at pound Aussie. It's going straight down. For 30 pips already.
Yeah, I'm in the pound also.
Why did I exit that one? Why?
I'm about to hit a 1%. Aussie yen and Aussie. Oh, Aussie dollar.
It never hit my stop. I exited manually.
I put my stop above the second deviation. They almost got it. Almost.
Yeah, almost. But there was room, and even the spread didn't hit it. Actually, it didn't even test it. Let me just get a screenshot.
Time to get out now. Okay, there.
I cannot really tag you.
This thing just keeps going.
What's with these fucking usernames all the time?
Sorry, Swing. Oof, you would have been, yeah. That's how close I came. Wow.
Fuck, 39 from the VWAP. That's like 40 from my original entry. I knew this is gonna go down. Fuck me. Best entry ever. Zero slippage. And I just pussy out. I mean, this looks tiny now because the chart is so small, but this is actually a massive move. Wow, the spread is horrible now.
Yeah, I got out.
Oh, now the spread is terrible. Oh wow, that bounced right off, huh? But there is nothing. Didn't even make a low, and make the low. Probably did. I guess this morning the overshoot was kind of a fake. But my target is actually lower. This is not even half. My target is 78522. But I'm not in the trade anymore. But that was my target when I entered.
78522. Oh yeah, I see that.
I mean, I would have an alert there, but my actual target would have been a little bit below the pivot. 78358. That's where I would set my hard TP. But I would probably exit, starting to exit or planning to exit at 78522.
Oh my god, they're still going at it.
Well, that was a good exit. Give you that.
Deviation. You know me, Swing.
That was a really good exit. How did the deviation get there? I mean, without seeing it, because the opening made actually a lower low than where the price went.
Yeah,
How is it possible that the deviation is lower? Higher, sorry.
that's what I was saying. And yeah.
You reset on Tokyo.
No. Yeah. No, my bad. This one resets at the rollover. Sorry. That's why that.
But then the deviation must be greater because there is already a lower low.
Let me see.
Can you post that chart? I'm just curious.
No, it's right there.
Oh, sorry.
Let me see the trading view.
There's resets. Is that VWAP deviation?
Yeah, that's a VWAP.
That resets on Tokyo. Because the spike down was actually on the Sydney Open. Yeah, that makes sense. Because that is actually lower than the price went just now. And I was like, what? Deviation? That's not possible. The price was already below that. So it's not rollover, it's just Tokyo, but that's fine. I use Tokyo too, but I think everybody does. I don't know why that is. I think this has something to do with US post market, something like that.
No, yeah, you're right. I hadn't even noticed it.
Yeah, this was an easy trade. Like, this has to go down. I mean, you see it. Sydney comes in and the price immediately drops. Okay, fuck that. We know what's going on. Just wait for the news and take the money. I'm kind of surprised that it didn't make a new low.
Aussie dollar. Aussie yen.
Why is my transaction taking so long on Invoid? It was made on February 14th.
What, February 14? Let's have a look.
It's the one for 2,350.
Yeah, well, the money is not there. That's why the transaction is pending.
The money is my bank account. Maybe they are not letting me send money to you for some reason.
Well, there are thousands of dollars going in and out every day. There are 17 transactions today and the day hasn't even started yet.
Thoughts on silver and gold? Silver.
It'll be pretty cool if silver went up.
Yeah, silver should go up at some point. This could take some time. So better buy, if you want a YOLO silver, then better buy silver euro because there is positive swap.
You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight it. Hypnotized, stuck inside my mind because you gotta be something undefined for me. You're so wild, I'm not gonna fight. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you and your intention. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide this. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide. You go free. I love everything will be 'cause you're gonna ruin my reputation. We combine, you know I can't deny it. Intertwined, sand is skin so close to mine. You gotta be such a mystery for me. Blow my mind, I just can't deny. Replay in my mind of you, things you wanna do to me. Replay in my mind of you. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide this. You're gonna ruin my reputation. I'm not gonna hide. You go free. I love everything will be 'cause you're gonna ruin my reputation. My love, I lose my head because of you, and I don't know what to do. My love, I lose my head because of you.
Aussie yen.
Thank you. One more question if you don't mind answering. What's your thoughts on the Dow?
The Nasdaq is below VWAP, the DAX is down, so the Dow is probably gonna go down too. But I don't know how this is gonna change later. This is just right now.
Thank you.
It's bouncing off the pivot. So I guess shorting the Nasdaq is probably a bad idea. But I would not do it right now anyway. It's a US market and we are in Asia. So I would have shorted a Hang Seng if I would short a index. Oh, why is the Hang Seng off my watch list? What the fuck? That's strange. Okay, it's back, but my main watch list is also pretty small. Yeah, the Hang Seng was nice. It was a nice trade.
Do you stream daily?
Yes, every day. Since 1500 days or so. You can see all the history on YouTube. That's actually the number on the stream is actually the day I'm trading. When I started that.
Wow, man. I look up to you.
Last week or so I'm not on my blog, but this is not because I'm not blogging. This is because I have other shit to do. Let's just have a quick look here. Yeah, these are all not published yet, but I have logged them. I'm just gonna do that on the weekend or so. So there are about 15 days missing in my log, but they are all here.
Any books, resources to learn more about currency pairs or Forex trading? You're awesome, man. I will be here a lot more often.
Well, intraday Forex is very technical. I mean, what happened just now was of course news driven, like this large drop here. But I sold the position long before that happens, in anticipation of that, of course. And had a very large stop loss, as you can see. I entered here and my stop loss was 15 pips higher, which is not usual for me. But was aware that there is a interest rate decision coming up. Oh, this share mouse shit is so annoying. Alright, so I had a very large stop loss. Usually I would have just a very tight stop. But that's for me it in terms of fundamental stuff, and just need to know when things are gonna happen. Then you have to be more lenient with your positions. The rest is plain technical. I mean, you can see it here on the 15-minute chart. It went down and it hit the previous support, and that's why I exit.
I'm fairly new to trading. Been trading and educating myself for 2 years. I understand everything you're saying on technical. I have more issues with economics.
That's the easy part.
Sorry, this is really annoying. My share mouse software doesn't work.
Sorry to interrupt you.
I took the short on the yen pair, but I knew there's gonna be an interest rate decision for Australia, and that's gonna make an impact on the economy, which will impact the Nikkei as well, the Japanese economy, and that's why, and gonna make the Japanese yen move. And that's why I had a larger stop. That's the only reason. But the target was 100% technical. It's always technical. So you cannot see it on the wrong screen. I shorted it here long before the news happened with a large stop in anticipation there's going to be a spike up. But my target was 100% technical. Just happened a lot faster because of the news. But it's not the move didn't happen because of the news. It just happened faster because of the news.
Bottom trendline.
I would have been in this trade even if there were no news.
Yes, I understand.
The downside is I made substantial money, but I would have made a lot more if there were no news, because my stop loss would be much, much smaller. On a normal trade, I would have just a stop above the high, and this was actually a VWAP trade, so this would be very, very close to the high, and then I would have at least 3 times the position size on, and that means I would have made 3 times the money. But I didn't, because I knew there are news coming up. There is some volatility to be expected. I mean, it didn't happen in that case, but you have to always calculate for that. Sure, if you trade a monthly chart, economics make a difference, but not when you day trade.
Of course, very smart.
Make a home for 2. Make up characters in another 2. Don't be so afraid that you leave one day. Just print that photo, babe, and we will always stay. The world is spinning around you and me under the sun. We'll always stay in this heavy, ecstatic sound where the seeds in the ground will be forever around. 'Cause what we're making will last forever. No lies, no faking. We're true like rain, like the wind. No failing. There's only time, so make it worth it. Whatever story you're in, whatever story you're in, whatever story you're in, whatever story you're in.
Do you trade oil?
Rarely.
Yeah, the spread usually makes it not worthwhile.
Yeah, I agree. This is just something you can trade on futures or on a fundamental basis for longer term.
That silver might actually work out.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
Hello, how is everybody?
Without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
What's up?
I'm looking at pound dollar like I have been for the past 12 and a half hours.
Another day in paradise.
Pretty much. I have this really annoying knack of always like seeing the trade setup I want right before daily rollover and then not checking it again until after it happened in Asian.
Got a bot?
Yeah.
Yep. It opens the door for my cats. I'm not kidding, I really have that.
Oof. Do you need to flex that hard?
No, I just tried to say something stupid or that's somewhat related.
Fish, what is that new info stream? Info sphere? I almost said stream.
That's something experimental we're about to launch. It's supposed to be the professional corner. That's actually a pretty description. I just came up with that.
Professional corner.
I literally just came up with that.
You'll do.
Well, the idea is that stuff that, like the ones that just happens in trading room, doesn't happen.
I like it.
I got you. So it's kind of like a second filter kind of room. Not quite all business like Dark Pool is, but more like, all right, when somebody joins, they get into trading room, and then eventually get into. No, yes.
Yes, that's basically it. Yeah. You're just expected to be a professional. That's basically it. So if somebody has a sincere question about their trading or something like that, they can expect a meaningful response. Basically.
I get it. Kind of. Also, it's nice because it cuts down the bullshit. But then, more importantly, it's super nice because all too many times there's like a new trader join and they have a good question about trading. It's something important, like say like risk percentage or money management, something like that. But then some other new person answers them in a way that makes everyone cringe.
Yeah, something like that. It's not about knowing shit better than somebody else. It's just about. Yeah, I mean, you're right, but how to say that? Like if somebody wants genuinely help, minus the bullshit, that's the place to get it.
I got it. It's kind of almost like instead of an Ask SwingFish, it's like Ask the Pros, or whatever you would call them. I don't know if I'd go with pros.
Yeah, that's actually something we have to work on. Like, do we want to have conversations there, and if so, who they are with? With Ask SwingFish, this is very strict because it's just me versus everybody else. I mean, there are other people responding to questions, and I don't mind if they do. But in general terms, I mean, the channel name is pretty unique. It's just anybody asks anything to me, but if somebody asks a general question, some of the mods gonna respond to it if I'm too slow. Which is fine. This is basically the supercharged version of that. I just need to figure out a way how to make other people shut up.
That's good. I like it. I'm here for it. If Ask SwingFish has taught me anything, it's that people don't read rules.
Yeah.
Like I saw there was like a big cleanse of it, and then TechX posted the rules and like giant bold letters, one question at a time. And then AgeFu went in with the full on 10 question question.
Yeah, or I clean up the channel, and after I'm done cleaning up, I post the rules. And so because that's where I know where I stopped cleaning up. Like I just look in the channel where's my last rule post. I work it down from there. And then I delete the rule post and make a new one, so I know where I stopped. And it was many times already. I post the rule, there's this block of rules, which clearly states no company support.
Which channel is it?
And then right below it, somebody asks, how do I get enrolled into prop? And what the fuck? Seriously? It's Ask SwingFish in the Discord channel.
My favorite is the new people that come in and just say hello in it, and then I'm like, yo, you just blew a really long cooldown on hello.
Okay, thanks. I thought you made a new channel since you have to type the same rules again and again.
No, I just deleted the rules. I post the rules as a message. And then people are asking their questions, and then I go through all the questions and respond to them. And when I'm done, I'm deleting the old news post and make a new one. So the rules will be the first thing you see when you enter the channel. But for some people, it's just too much to look 2 lines up.
I am thinking if word limit is like 140, maybe they will ask 1 question instead of 10 HAHA.
No, people would find a way. They'd wait for that cooldown.
And 1 question per person in a week.
Well, hey man, I gotta know what SwingFish's name means, and I also have to know what kind of shoes he wears. I need to know that quicker than a week. I actually still need to get timestamp data about when you log in and out. We're gonna graph you.
You gotta prioritize. Haha.
Yeah, we have this Twitter style stuff in the dark pool channel. And even there I keep telling people, just don't write shit, nobody gives a fuck. Just write your position and your stop loss. And if you have a target, the target too, but nobody cares why you enter. Just, it's about that you did it, not why. When I explain yourself, you have trading room for that.
You are very patient, man. Swing.
No, I'm just ignorant. I'm thinking of reshorting EURJPY.
Do it, what's the worst that happens? You make the same chart.
Yeah, but the Eurodollar didn't hit the VWAP yet, so maybe this is actually gonna happen. But there is some previous support on EUR/JPY where it's just hovering for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles.
I don't have it up right now. Is Eurodollar above or below VWAP right now?
It's below. It dropped hard below after the news. But it didn't make a VWAP retest. I make a photo real quick.
Well, I didn't know about the news, but...
Oh shit, did I just disconnect somebody? Who is that? Oh, you still? Okay. Fuck.
Well, somebody just failed.
No, I just right click and then to paste the picture I wanted to send to you in the trading room. I just did. And then my mouse moved to you and it hovered over disconnect or ban.
That's a dangerous game.
It's my fucking share mouse software just fucks around since 3 days or so. And I wrote the support already an email and they're just giving me these bullshit canned responses.
GBPJPY sell from 148.34 SL 148.58.
Oh, it's painful to try to listen to.
And I was like, dude, it worked for months. Just stopped working now. And I have a licensing problem. When I put in the license code and I press the button, the millisecond I press the button, there is immediately coming a error window showing that my maintenance period is over. That means I have to renew my license basically. Or install an older version where I have the license for. But this is not possible because the software has to check the provider's database in order to verify my license, and that is just happening way too fast. So there must be a technical problem.
/yen, EUR/yen, AUD/yen. Shorting GBP USD stop loss 1.404. Target
I'm just copied and pasted the dark pool
1.3725.
content into the stream chat.
No, people have to do that by themselves. Fucking hate stupid support. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 purple trading accounts that show 100 grand loss. Same thing. So I write to the support, the IT support from them, say, guys, it's a 100k challenge and he has a $97,000 loss on the metrics. That's just not possible without having a margin call. Besides, the account has a $101,000 balance, so that's even less possible. And then I get a stupid response like, yeah, we have to investigate for the insurance, blah, blah, blah. There is nothing to investigate. You cannot lose 100 grand on a 100 grand account and not getting margin called. I'm wrong here.
Oh, sounds pretty clean cut.
Let's pick up on a note here from Goldman. They're saying that real rates are unlikely to return to pre-crisis level for a long time on residual slack in the economy and dovish change in reaction function of the Fed.
No, you're right. It's basics.
Yeah, you cannot have a $97,000 loss on a $100,000 account and have a $101,000 balance. That's not possible. There's no trade you can make to make that happen without getting margin called.
You're right. How do you get access to post in dark pool? Impossible.
It could be a banking issue because the insurance is very picky about that kind of stuff. Sorry, I was just reading something in another channel. What's your Discord name? Do you just have to be an active member, then you get access automatically? This is not given manually.
Yeah, you eventually post enough to get the 8 ball, I think it is, and then you can post in dark pool.
I've been in the Discord for months and post regularly. Maybe it's because I don't have my account linked to Infoid. What
What's
are
your
we
username?
watching? PNK7.
Yeah, what do we watching? Euro Yen and Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie I chickened out, took a 0.04% loss because I'm a pussy.
He's in the voice chat right now.
We're also watching silver. Let's not forget about that.
Oh yeah, silver is the current meme. I'm in silver too. Oh nice. That tested the previous low at 21. Oh, that went down deep. Yeah, when it crosses the VWAP, I'm gonna scale in.
Can you hook him up, beer bongs?
What have I got? Do I have to do something?
Yeah, he's in the chat right now. Let me make sure.
Oh right. Oh, this guy. Okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
PFAC. Something like that.
That should do it. Try now.
Be able to post in dark pool now, buddy.
Cool. What's the username in the Discord name?
Beer bongs fixed it. He's actually in the Discord chat right now.
Yeah, who? Which one?
I think it's PFAC. He's on top of Radmat.
Where's Radman?
Yo, he didn't even buy me a drink first.
What's the nickname, damn it? It's not that hard.
PEFAK.
I put it in
Take my
suicide.
signal to make some money.
PFAC.
PFAC, yeah.
It's the guy who said, take my signal to make some money. Cause that's cringe.
I have a spot silver buy order in at low 25s. I don't know why my microphone doesn't work. But thanks, now I have access.
Sick.
But you could read the channel before, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Just wanted to make sure. Just do this one line kind of Twitter style in this channel. No drama, no explaining, and when you get stopped out, just quote yourself.
Sure. Thanks, Swing.
We should just make a stop loss and TP emoji reaction. Just a real simple one. And then just react on it with TP or stop loss.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
You could actually make like a little set. I mean, if you really want.
Maybe not TP or SL, maybe just closing loss, closing profit or something like that.
Well, I was just thinking, so like TP and SL, right? You can just make two little bold, like red and green letters, super easy. And then if you wanted to, you could go further and make one that's like scale in, and then maybe a BE.
No BE.
But if you could only
Do
scale
you
it-
deal strictly with Americans or Canadians also in regards to trading accounts?
Yeah, it's no problem because the accounts are owned by the company, and the company is a juristic person in Singapore, so there is no restriction. So if you trade as American, that makes no difference regarding to regulation. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I was just looking at Dark Pool, because, well, we just talked about it, so that's why the channel is open. And I watched like for 15 minutes on Sebastian's post about buying silver at 26.10, a stop loss at 24.50, and I kept looking on my silver chart and I see it's at 21.74, and I said, what the fuck? How is that possible? And it took me like 15 minutes to figure out that I'm on silver euro instead of silver dollar. I need to
say that.
I need a drink. I was like, what? No. What? Literally for 15 minutes. And like an hour ago, I told everybody that I switched from dollar silver to euro silver because of the I have positive swap, and this trade is probably gonna going on for months. So trading something that has positive swap makes sense, and we betting on the silver gain as itself, so the currency doesn't really matter. I mean, we're betting that silver gains on value, so it doesn't really matter if you trade it against the euro or against the US dollar.
Yeah.
But it's gonna make a difference in the outcome, because you have to pay a swap every day if you trade it on the dollar. And it's not cheap, it's like a quarter pip or something like that. I mean, it is cheap, but it's not free. My wife is cleaning the house. Something is going on here. I need to figure out what it is.
Your wife's cleaning the house, so something must be wrong. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, maybe some relatives come or whatever. I'm gonna figure it out. Back in a second. Whatever.
Aussie dollar.
Damn it, the euro is going straight down. Euro yen is never gonna retest the VWAP. Should have sold it at the previous support. Yeah, whatever.
Music to my ears.
Aussie dollar.
Any thoughts on shorting Aussie dollar or Aussie yen?
Yeah, it's a bit late now. There's some interesting support on Euro Yen. I would rather buy Euro Yen, to be honest. If you look at the 4-hour chart as example, this is pretty solid. I mean, it could go down another 130 Euro Yen, I mean 113, sorry. But there is gonna be a reaction for sure. So the wise choice would have been to buy it 13 pips ago with a 9 pip stop loss, but now it's not a risk reward, it's just terrible, unless you're aiming for the top. But generally speaking, fundamentally, the Japanese yen gonna gain on value. because of what the Japanese government is doing in the last week and this week. So that means the yen pairs are likely gonna keep going down. But this is just, right now it's just a bad place to do it. I did that Friday trade. Sorry. Almost there, Silver. Come on. I guess we have to wait for the session for that.
Right here is the pivotal resistance point I feel.
Hi, Discorders. How are you, Discorders?
Yeah, we were doing okay. We were all right.
You guys have some really good analysis.
Why do I have the feeling that somebody's asking about a stop loss position in about 45 seconds?
What's the stop loss of gold on the buys?
Wow, that was faster than I expected.
So, dude, what you guys think
Aussie
about
yen.
gold at this moment? Like, in your own opinion, based on the structure, based on what's happening in the world, the fundamentals, and everything, what do you think is happening with gold at the moment? Where would you think it's gonna bounce back from?
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather.
Aussie yen.
Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own decide, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. To believe you gotta let go. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Just close your eyes, and when you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you. Just close your Just close your eyes. I saw diamonds and skies, and I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. In your eyes I saw diamonds and skies, and I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. I saw diamonds and skies, and I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. In your eyes I saw diamonds and skies, and I did all for you, 'cause you wanted me to. it. We're falling like stars, and I didn't notice the chaos inside my heart. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. When were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. I feel so close to you. But if you really knew, were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew.
Aussie dollar.
Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. You thought I knew. You thought I knew.
An update here in Tokyo as the Governor Kyoki reports they may not meet the deadline for targeted fall in the pace of infections of COVID by the scheduled end of emergency state. Kyoto reporting.
N. Niku. Nikurts. Nyakurts. Nikur. Nikurts. Nikur. Nikkakur. Nigur. Nikur.
What you on about, nigga?
Aussie yen. Aussie dollar.
Nigu. Nikfkurts. Nyagur. Nikur.
Aussie yen.
Nigurts.
Aussie dollar.
Morning. Nick Gors. Nick Hoover. Nick Wirtz. Nick Hor.
Aussie yen. Aussie dollar.
Nigur. Niger. Nigura. Nigur. Nigurts.
Aussie yen.